What's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to use the beat jump feature in Serato DJ. I'm Watson and this is my channel. Today I'm going to give you a tip to make track preparation easier for my Serato DJ Pro users. First, let's talk about cue points. Now, cue point is a great feature of Serato DJ Pro and many DJ software. Cue points make it easy to jump to specific parts of a track, which makes mixing easy, creative, and fun. When you have a track loaded into the player, you can drag along the waveform to find the spots that you want to add the cue points to, but using beat jumps make this a little bit easier. First thing you want to do is load your track and select your first cue point. Usually, this will be the first beat of the song. Next, you want to set the value for your beat jump. In this case, I'm using 16, which means it will advance the song 4 bars of 4 beats for 16 total beats. Select the forward arrow, and as you can see, the track jumps forward. Set your next cue point there. Then repeat as necessary. You can also add them at the end of the track to help make your track prep smoother as you're transitioning from one track to the next. And there you go, a simple tip to help you save time when you're preparing tracks in Serato DJ. If you have any questions or any other topics you'd like me to discuss, let me know in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe. I'm Watson. I'll see you next time.